In this video, I am going to show how to disable trending search on Microsoft Edge web browser. So let's get started. At first, open Microsoft Edge web browser and then open the settings of the Microsoft Edge web browser. Now select Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down and here you will find address bar and search. Expand. Okay. If you set the Bing as your default search engine, you don't need to disable trending searches. Otherwise, if you set your default search engine without Bing, like Google or Yahoo or any other search engine, then click on this drop down list and select the address bar. For all the search engine, disable trending search. Okay, that's it. The trending searches are disabled. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.